Okay, let's welcome our second batch for our little chef's workshop. Okay, isa mo na diyan, chef. So, tinawag pro na isa. Okay, I would like to acknowledge our manager, Ma'am Cathy, our videographer this afternoon, manager and videographer. So, prepare na, Chef Yuri, si Chef Ivory, grabe, si Chef Rima, ayan, welcome. Si Chef Isaiah. Okay. Okay. Kurang English na, Chef. Ikaw na bahala ka, Chef. Okay, once again, pakilala muna natin yung ating mga chefs sa ating second batch. So this is Chef Brian from Japanese station. Yay! And also our CDP 1 chefs coming to junior sous chef, Chef Mimi Pinatiyog ko. Ako'y bahala, papirmaho na taga-kontrata niya. Okay, and our sous chef, Chef Eduardo Pitao. Yun, ang pinakagwapo sa Vikings. Dipindira na sa moto. Tutuki lang na ninyo. Hoy! Bata ra nag-hide. Okay, are you ready, kids? Handa na ba kayo? Oh, chef, ikaw na istorya na, chef. English daw. Bisaya. Handa na ba kayo?
Are you ready? Ready now.
Ikaw, ready na ka? Okay, okay, let's go! So, una, si Chef Brian muna yung magpapakita ng sample.
Sample from
Okay.
Chef Brian of Japanese
Okay, Chef
station.
Yuri, dito ka muna.
So that you can see.
Okay, Chef Isaiah, dito ka muna. Okay. Okay, let's go.
This is the nori.
Parang mali yata.
This one, nori with rice. Okay? Then Chef Brian is going to put something inside the maki. Some people call this the California maki. But since we don't have the mangoes, it's still California. So we have cucumber, the crab sticks, and the mozzarella cheese. So Chef Brian is going to roll or just form it into a roll. Then he's going to use bamboo mat to shape our maki.
Yan, pagdating sa bahay nyo, tuturuan nyo po si tatay at si nanay kung paano gumawa ng Japanese maki roll, California roll. Okay.
Then we have the ebiko.
What is ibiko, Chef?
What is it? Oh, itlog daw sa isda.
Okay, ang ibiko is itlog sa isda. Unsang isda, Chef? Mag-study ka sunod, Chef, ha? Mahalon na isda.
Ibang ebiko is they have different colors. They have red, they have black, they have orange.
Okay.
Chef Brian is going to slice it, divide it into 8. Just look for the center and slice it so you have equal parts. Then plate it.
Uy, nabuha mo isa. Si Chef. Ali, Chef. Hello, Chef Serena. Yan. Ang cute.
Chef Brian na bahala niyan.
Yung bata ko, ganyan ako kaganda.
Wait lang, Chef.
Mali na nga lang yung kinain.
And finish it with a Japanese mayo. If you don't have Japanese mayo, pwede po ordinary lang na mayonnaise. Yay! So, are you ready? Are you ready? Yeah!
Okay, first si Chef Cirilla. Ayan, unahin natin to. Si Chef Cirilla. Cirilla. Cinderella. Si Ma'am na lang. Oh. Okay. Chef, mag-gloves ka naman, Chef. Para assist ko, Chef. Si Chef Brian na lang. Dapat nagsuot ako kanina. Okay, Chef Rayman. Oo, pagandahin daw. Pagandahin. Sabi ni Chef Edward. Okay, go. Tapos yung ating cheese. Okay. Chef Rayman. Okay, go, Chef Rayman. Yun. After that, i-roll mo na. Roll. Ha? Oo, ano? Okay na. Yun, let's go, Chef. Okay, let's go. Chef Cirilla, dipilit ng pangalan. Oy, sir, happy birthday, sir. Kisa na... Oy, Sir Alvin, happy birthday. Daras linog na rin, sir. Yay! Ang galing! Tor, ulag hayag ya, Tor. Wow, ang galing! Ang galing ni Chef Yuri. Congratulations. Okay. Okay, Chef Cirilla will be... Oh. Okay, come on. Wow.
Sorry.
Okay, let's go. Let's cut into 8.
O later mo lang. Ano sa nila? Award that. Bigyan sila ng certificate.
Okay, let's go. Yan, pagandahin daw nila yung sa kanila. No, thank you so much for coming, sir. Salamat. Okay, let's cut. Hapit na hulog. 5 minutes, pwede pa.
Pag human ni Buri kay ay pag human ni Rima pabalhin na to si Buri diri. Kapit na.
Lisod siya, Chef Brian sa iyang gloves. Okay. Yun, oh. Wow, congratulations. Wow, ang ganda naman kay Chef Cirilla. Wow. Ang galing. Wow, ang ganda ni Chef Arjan. Wow.
Bita na na Rima. Pero nga bunit ha. Picture ta diri.
Okay, congratulations to our kids. Okay, so far, distribution of certificate of participation. Wow! Kapit sa ating chef. Ang chefs natin. Okay, okay, promotion tayo with Chef Brian. Kadalasan yung mga photos. Gloves. Okay, with Chef Brian. Ako po, pa-picture ko sa kayo kay Chef. Sali ako. With Chef. Okay, let's go. Okay, with Chef Brian. Okay, let's go. Photo shot. Okay, with your mom. Pwede po your mama. Okay. Okay, mama. Kami tuloy sa mga maestra sa likod. Kami picture. Okay. Si mami, si tatay, si ate, tawagin ang buong barkada. Okay, let's go. We want to... Okay, for distribution of certificate will be given by Chef Eduardo. Ayan. Okay. Ito na siya.
Stay there, no?
Sige. Okay. Congratulations! Yun. Yun. Oh, circle. Ay, circle. Okay, next, si Chef Freeman. Okay, congratulations. Okay, with Chef Angelman. Yeah, congratulations, Chef Freeman. Okay, next, Chef Yuri. Yeah, congratulations, Kuya Chef. Okay. Oh, thank you so much. Congratulations. Our next little chef will be Alfred Gabriel. Okay, congratulations. Okay, next, Chef Isaiah. Wow, atong chef, akti kayo. Alright. Thank you so much, Ako.
Sige, sir. Sige, sir.